Some traditional roles are slowly evolving or becoming less central. Most people choose a tech career based on salary numbers or internet hype. The average salary for data science roles in India can reach more than 18 lakhs per annum. If you want to build a career in tech, you probably ask yourself this question: which field should I choose? Some people say software development is the safest path, others say cybersecurity is the future. And everywhere online, you see people talking about AI and data science. And to be fair, there's a reason for that. Reports suggest that by 2026, the average salary for data science roles in India can reach more than 18 lakhs per annum. So naturally, many people start thinking, should I just learn data science? But here's where things get interesting. Most people choose a tech career based on salary numbers or internet hype, when in reality, every tech field requires a very different way of thinking and working. So, in this video, I'm going to show you a simple framework that can help you figure out which tech career actually fits you the best. And by the end of this video, I'll also give you a simple exercise that can help you decide your direction with much more clarity. Right now, the tech industry is expanding faster than ever. Artificial intelligence, cloud computing, cybersecurity, software development, data science. These opportunities exist in all of these fields. But here's something many people overlook. Every tech career operates very differently. Some roles rely heavily on mathematics, data analysis. Some revolve around building applications and products. Some require system thinking and infrastructure management. Some require detecting threats and managing digital risk. If your natural skills aligned with the field you choose, learning becomes easier, progress becomes faster, and opportunities start appearing naturally. But if there is no alignment, the journey becomes much harder. And that is why the real question isn't which tech job is trending. The real question is which tech careers are actually growing in the next few years. If you look at the global reports from organizations like World Economic Forum and McKinsey, a very interesting pattern appears. Technology jobs are growing overall, but not all roles are growing at the same pace. Some traditional roles are slowly evolving or becoming less central. For example, basic IT support roles, manual testing roles, basic web development, traditional database administration, these roles are not disappearing overnight. At the same time, several tech careers are growing extremely fast. These include data careers such as data scientist, big data specialist, AI and machine learning engineers, software developers, full stack developers, and fintech engineers, cybersecurity specialists, and cloud and DevOps engineers. So choosing a career in one of these areas can be a very strong long-term decision. Each of these career requires very different strengths, and that is where choosing the right path becomes critical. So how do you actually choose the right tech career? Instead of guessing, you can evaluate your decision using a few important factors. Factor 1, interest. Interest might sound obvious, but it is more important than most people realize. If you are genuinely curious about something, you'll naturally spend more time learning it. For example, some people find AI models and algorithms fascinating. Some love building websites and applications. Others enjoy solving security puzzles and finding vulnerability. Interest keeps you consistent, and consistency is what eventually builds expertise. Factor 2, strength. Interest is important, but your strength matter even more. Different tech careers reward different abilities. If you are comfortable with maths and analytical thinking, data science and AI can be excellent paths. If you enjoy writing code and building systems, software development might be the right fit. If you're good at thinking about risk and vulnerabilities, cybersecurity could be an exciting field. And if you enjoy working with infrastructure and system architecture, cloud and DevOps might suit you perfectly. Factor 3, competition. In India, almost every tech field is competitive, but the opportunity landscape can still vary. Fields like cloud engineering, DevOps, and cybersecurity are expanding rapidly because companies increasingly rely on digital infrastructure. That means the demand for specialized professionals continues to grow. Sometimes choosing the right niche can significantly accelerate your career. Factor 4, salary. Let's address the obvious factor, that is salary. And yes, it does matter. Currently, AI and data related roles are among the highest paying positions in tech. With experience, professionals in these fields can earn up to 30 lakhs per year or more. Factor 5, learning curve. Another practical factor is the learning curve. Some people want to transition into tech relatively quickly. Fields like software development, DevOps, and cybersecurity can sometimes offer faster entry paths. AI and data science often require deeper foundation in math, statistics, and modeling concepts. That does not mean they are impossible to learn. It simply means that the learning journey may take a bit longer time. Factor 6, work-life balance. Different tech careers also have different work patterns. Software developers often work with structured project cycles. Cybersecurity professionals sometimes deal with real time incidents or threats. Cloud and DevOps engineers focus on maintaining infrastructure reliability. The nature of the role influences the type of work environment you experience. Factor 7. Network. Finally, there is the power of your network. If people around you already work in a particular field, learning becomes easier. You gain guidance, you gain mentorship, you gain access to the opportunities much faster. Your network can significantly accelerate your growth. Strategic insights. Now, here's a simple exercise you can try. List these 5 tech careers: data science, AI machine learning, software development, cybersecurity, cloud, or DevOps. Now, rate each career across 7 factors: interest, strength, network, salary potential, competition, learning curve, and last but not the least, which is work life balance. Give each factor a score, then calculate the total. The career with the highest score will likely show the strongest alignment with you, and the alignment is often the biggest predictor of long term success. If you genuinely enjoy maths and analytics, data science or AI can be incredibly powerful career paths. If you enjoy building applications and writing code, software development is a strong option. And if you are interested in systems, infrastructure, and security challenges, cybersecurity or cloud careers might be the right direction. The best approach is simple: explore a few options, spend a little time learning the basics, and notice which direction naturally keeps your curiosity alive. Because in the long run, the people who succeed in tech aren't just the ones who are chasing the trends, they are the ones who build deep skills in the right direction. And once you choose the right path, commit to it. Consistency is what eventually creates expertise.